Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get HyperX NGENUITY on Mac in 2026. So first of all, you need to understand one important thing. HyperX NGENUITY is not officially available for Mac OS. It is basically designed only for Windows, so you can't install it directly on a Mac. So there is no official Mac version of NGENUITY. So if you try to research or you download it, you won't find a Mac operating system installer. So the easiest solution for you to use the Hyper NGENUITY software is by connecting your HyperX device to a Windows PC. Then from Google Play Store or Microsoft Store, you can easily install the HyperX NGENUITY software. You can configure your setting and you can also update the firmware by using it. Most of the settings are saved to the device and will still work on Mac. You can install the Windows on your Mac using the tools like virtualization software. Then you can install the NGENUITY inside that Windows environment. However, device detection may not always work perfectly in that situation. So if this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.